Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to change the case of the alphabets contained in an Excel worksheet. Now you can see I have some names. I want to convert them into capital letters, in small letters and in proper case. You know all the functions in Excel start with is equal to. Now we'll type is equal to. Then to convert the names into uppercase we have to write a formula upper, and while applying all the formulas you just have to press tab and it will automatically put a start bracket in front of the text which you want to convert. Now I want to convert b1 b2 rather, and I'll close the brackets. You can see all the alphabets in the name are in capital letters. We just have to copy the formula down, or we can simply double click on the fill handle. Now if you want to convert the name into proper case, like first alphabet of the first name in capital and the rest in smalls, similarly the second name's first alphabet in capital and the rest in smalls. For this we have to write a formula is equal to proper and bracket start, and we'll have to just select the data which we want to convert and bracket close. Now you can see the name is converted into a proper case. We'll double click on the fill handle and the whole data is converted into proper case. To convert the data into lowercase, similarly we'll write the formula lower, tab, the bracket will start automatically, select the data which you want to convert and close the bracket, and we'll double click on it. Guys, you can see here we have applied a formula. Now if you want to copy and paste, we have to copy all the data, then only it will be able to paste on the next sheet. Like I will delete this and I'll paste. Rather, I'll have to copy again. Now again the formula is copied here. For this you have to select the source of the data. Like if I would just want to copy only the proper case, what I'll have to do is I'll have to use the function paste special. Let me show you. Let's say I have to just copy these names. I'll copy it and I'll go to the sheet where I want to paste it, and I'll use the function paste special. Here I have to select values. You can see we have been able to copy the data. Now you can see here no formula is applied, but here formula was there, that's why we weren't able to copy the data over there. Now if there's a shortcut of applying paste special, that is alt, let me copy the data again, control C, control alt V. I can see that. Guys, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.